Meaning of hung.
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 Hung. The word hung has several meanings depending on the context in which it is used. One common meaning of hung is to describe something that is suspended or placed at a high point, such as a picture hanging on the wall. In addition, hung can also refer to a feeling of hunger or a state of deprivation from food or other necessities. Lastly, hung can be used to describe someone who has been executed by hanging. Overall, the word hung carries different meanings and connotations based on its usage.